Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do general reading for Gemini 8 sign for the remaining month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, let's see your messages. What's the messages for you? What's the messages for you? Gemini. Chariot. You or your person could be Cancer. High Priestess. Queen of Pentacles. I think you want to take some things forward in your life. You are trusting your intuition. You are very caring person. Definitely some in your love area, whatever in working area, you have to take some things to forward. You decided that. So let's pull some more cards for Gemini. Judgment. Ace of Pentacles. The Moon. I think some long-term commitment is coming in your way. Someone has made decision, or you could be made decision. Some moon energy, you or your person could be Pisces or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Something is hidden from you. Your person something hides something from you. That's why you trusting your intuition, and under the deck is Queen of Swords. You cut them off, but they want to offer long-term commitment to you for some, because Judgment is here. So they realize you both after you choose to move forward without your person, then your person realize you both and want to come towards you for some. Nine of Swords. Think even if you choose to move forward, you are not happy without your person. You are not sleeping at night times. And the Seven of Cups, you are fantasizing about your person a lot. Ace of Wands, yeah, you also want new beginning with your person. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Under the deck, Three of Wands, you are waiting for your person to come towards you and offer long-term commitment. Yes, it's coming, Gemini, because your person realize you both. Yeah, stability. Definitely stability is coming in your connection. Seven of Pentacles, yes, you invest in this connection more than your person. Page of Cups, yeah. Communication is also coming in your way. Your person or you could be, I think you could be initiate the contact, or your person also. Definitely there is some apologies coming in your way if your person did something wrong to you. So let's pull some energy from your person, what they are up to right now. Gemini. Ten of Wands. The Emperor. Lot of cards. Five of Cups. Justice, yeah. I think they are feeling very burdened and they are very sad. What is happened between both of you? Further, they are feeling very sad and they want new start with you. Justice is yes, Magician under the deck. They want to manifest again this connection in their life. Justice, they also want a second chance. Some communication is coming in your way. Emperor, your person is very, think right now he is in Emperor mode, very stubborn, but he is very honest. For some, yeah, your person may be at some crossroads, but King of Pentacles is here. Yeah, your person is also want to offer long-term commitment to you. Definitely, if you both decide, definitely there is a chance for reconciliation between both of you. Some communication is coming in your way. Yeah, Three of Pentacles and the World, some cycles are going to be and Three of Pentacles, yes, you both have to work on this relationship. And King of Pentacles, long-term commitment is coming in your way. So Temperance. Then the Star, yes, patience and balance is needed in this connection. The Star still there is some hope in this connection. And Seven of Swords and Three of Swords, yes, one person is most hurted in this connection, and Seven of Swords means some miscommunication or false communication is happened in past between both of you. So what is happened between both of you is past. So you both want this connection still. So it's up to you. Some communication is opened up between both of you. I think Gemini, you want stability in this connection. Definitely you are waiting for this. Your person is also feeling sad for that, and they also want reconciliation with you. I want to take one more card for your person's side. Yeah, there is love between both of you, Gemini. The Lovers is there. 8 of Cups. Someone is walked away in this connection. Queen of Swords. Someone is stubborn. I think it's you or your person. If they don't want offer what you want, then you cut them off, even if they love even if you love them. So definitely some communication is coming in your way. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.